Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video we are going to see how to use RemoteXY app with ESP32. Search RemoteXY in Google and click on first link. You will see the web page like this. Read the information given on this page. As you can see, with RemoteXY we can create the graphical interface for controlling the board. The devices supported by this app is as shown, which includes Arduino ESP8266 and ESP32, etc. With these 4 steps we can create our app. We will try it step by step. This app is available in free and paid version. The free version has less elements for user. Here we are using free version to create our app. Click Start button, which brings us to this page. Here we can see the elements which we can use for our project. These involves controls like button, switch, etc. Sensors like accelerometers. Indications like LED. Let us do the configuration settings. Select Bluetooth LE as communication media. Select ESP32 board. Choose option Bluetooth on SoC and Arduino IDE. After configuration completion, drag switch control and assign pin 2 to it, as pin 2 is on board LED pin. Set the name as test for the device. Click Get Resource Code button. Follow steps as shown. Let us see the source code generated. See RemoteXY.It included. Here RemoteXY is initialized. Then LED pin is defined as output pin. Then RemoteXY handler is called. The LED pin is operated as per the status of switch in the mobile app. You can write your code here. Do not use delay function here. Now download the code and open project.ini file in the Arduino IDE. Now include or install the library RemoteXY. Now connect your ESP32 board to PC or laptop. And select the board and port and upload the code. After the code is uploaded, follow the step 4 to download the app on your mobile phone. Scan the QR code and download app. Now click on the RemoteXY app in the mobile. This is UI for RemoteXY app, and We are using free version here. Click here and add new device. Click on Bluetooth LE option. Turn the Bluetooth on for your mobile. Now the test device is visible. Click on this device. Now same UI which we created is available in front of us. The switch is in off state. And the onboard LED on ESP32 is in off state. Now turn the switch on in mobile app. See the LED is on for ESP32 board. Now turn the switch off which turns LED on ESP32 board off. So that's it for today. In this video we have seen how to use RemoteXY app with ESP32. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video then please hit like button. Please share this video with your friend. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks again and have a good time.